My name is Catherine. Somewhere around the end of last year, I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma. It all started with a swelling under my arm. I casually came to visit Dr. Brunda to see what the pain was about, and she said it looked like a swollen lymph node. She asked me to do an ultrasound, and from there things escalated quickly. It moved to a CT scan followed by a biopsy, and the results eventually showed that I had Hodgkin's lymphoma and there was a tumor very close to my heart. So immediately some of the senior doctors got together to discuss my line of treatment, and I was finally referred to Dr. Aditya Murli from the oncology department. They said that he was one of the best. My husband and I initially weren't very sure because this was shocking news for us, and since I have no history of cancer in my family or my husband's family, we prayed that God would show us the right hospital, the right doctor. So we started doing some research on cancer specialty hospitals, oncologists. We asked friends, but finally when we prayed, we were led back to Aster CMI and to Dr. Aditya Murli. When we first met him, the first thing he said to me was, "You don't look like you belong in a hospital." So that immediately gave me a little bit of encouragement, and his confidence, his not sugarcoating any of the details of my treatment or my health situation gave us even more confidence, and we trusted that he was going to take care of me and my treatment. The treatment involved 12 cycles of chemotherapy, no surgery because the tumor was too close to my heart. The treatment began, and he was confident that after 4 cycles itself, my disease would go into remission. So after 4 cycles, we did do a PET scan, and the disease in fact did go into complete remission. So that was a huge win for both of us, and a huge relief also, and an answer to prayer. What followed after that were the remaining cycles of treatment, and about 3 weeks ago is when I completed the entire line of treatment. The disease is still in complete remission, and I was discharged, and Dr. Murli said that you can go back now, you can go back home, start living your normal life, you can go back to work, start your daily activities. I just want to thank Dr. Brunda, Dr. Sonal Astana, Dr. Angel, because they were all here to encourage me. They all recommended Dr. Murli, and they were all very supportive. And I also like to call out the wonderful nurses in the daycare and the oncology department. They always had a smile on their face whenever I would come for treatment. They were very kind and considerate, and they performed all of their duties with precision and passion, and I commend the doctors and nurses for their courage and bravery, especially during the COVID pandemic situation.